Hello, dear children. Today we are doing verb. What are verbs? Verbs are action words. Okay, you see here the figure. Now this is who is she? She is Radha. And what is this? You can see earthen pot and here the plant. So Radha, what she is saying? I collected some balsam seed. Who collected? I. So I is what? I is subject. When we ask who or what, I. And what I did? Collected. What I collected? Some balsam seed. Collected is verb, action word. Okay, and some balsam seed is here direct object. Means what is the thing? What I collected? Some balsam seeds. Now here see. Here underline the verbs. What we have to do? We have to underline the verbs. We have done in second also what are verbs, in third also, fourth also, now in fifth. Verbs you know very well. And circle the direct object in these sentences. Now Pulkit. Pulkit distributed sweets in the class today. Pulkit. Who? Pulkit. What is Pulkit? Pulkit is subject. What he did? Distributed. Okay, distributed. So now usne diya, he distributed. Distributed is verb. So we will underline distributed. What he distributed? Sweets. Sweet is object. First we will all in this sentence we will first go through verbs. Okay, which are the verbs? Which are the action verbs? Now she called her friend to share the good news. She is what? Who? She is subject. Called means to call and talk, and called is verb. So we are underlining called. Okay, whom she called? Her friends. Then we will move on to direct object afterward. Yusuf drank 2 cups of tea. Who? Yusuf is subject. And what he did? Drank. Drink, past tense drank. So drank is verb. Sunit cleaned his room thoroughly. Sunit. What Sunit did? He cleaned. Clean means saaf karna is verb. Okay. The teacher praised the student for trying hard. Praise means tarif karna, to praise someone. If you do some good thing good, your mom also praises you, na? My child is very nice and he or she is helping me a lot. She is praising you, very good, keep it up. And teachers also praise if you are doing. Okay, so the teacher praised the student. Praise it what? Verb. Swati bought a new bottle yesterday. So what Swati is? Subject. What she did? Bought. Bring, bought. Okay, past tense of bring. Bought. Bought is verb. Now we will move on to direct object with this subject is related to. So distributed. What distributed? Sweets. So what we will do? We will circle sweets.